To create this personalised mug project, you will need Cricut Explore Air 2, adhesive premium permanent vinyl, light grip cutting mat, basic tool set, transfer tape, bright pad, iPad or tablet device, and a mug. Open the Design Space app and start a new project. Click on Image. Type coffee into the search bar at the top of the screen. Select the script coffee design, then click Insert. Select the Settings menu from the toolbar at the bottom of the screen and make sure the metric slider is green. This means you'll be working in centimetres. Make a note, in centimetres, of the height and width dimensions of where you would like the design to sit on the mug. Select the Edit button from the bottom of the screen and type in the width measurement. Select the Text button and then click on All on the pop-up. Search for your desired font. Type the name into the text box that appears on the canvas. Position the greeting centrally above the coffee text, using the canvas guides to help. Your chosen font can be edited further. With the name selected, click Edit, then select the style and choose an option from the list. We chose Light. Reposition to the desired location above the coffee text. Drag a selection box over the entire image and double-check the height measurement in the Edit menu. Open the Actions menu and select Attach. Turn the smart dial on your machine to Custom. Click the Make It button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You'll be taken through to the matte preview screen. Double-check everything is correct, then click Continue. Once through to the cut screen, click All Materials. Type vinyl in the search bar and search Premium Vinyl. Trim the vinyl to size using a pair of scissors or paper trimmer. Remove the clear protective film from the cutting mat and place to one side. Position the vinyl on the cutting mat using the Cricut brayer or scraper tool to ensure good contact. Place the mat up against the machine rollers, then press the flashing arrow button. Your mat will then feed into the machine. Press the flashing Cricut button to start the cut. Remove the cut design from the cutting mat using the Cricut spatula tool. To do this, slowly and carefully slide the tool between the vinyl and the mat. Trim away any excess vinyl using a sharp pair of scissors. Remove negative pieces of vinyl from the design using the Cricut weeder tool and bright pad. Trim a piece of clear transfer tape to the same size as the cut design. Remove the tape from the backing sheet. Place over the cut design and smooth over with the scraper tool. With the transfer tape facing down, slowly remove the backing sheet from the premium vinyl to reveal the cut design. Position the design on the mug and smooth down into place using the scraper tool. Slowly remove the transfer tape, leaving the cut design on the mug. Allow 48 hours for the vinyl adhesive to set before hand washing. Then it's time to get started on your next Cricut project.